Yeah, it's this inverse here. One sec. Damn, man. Uh, Hold up. Let me actually log into my. Let me log into my funded though, because this is paper and I don't want to. Hang on. I got that LucidPro account that I was trading all week funded, so we're gonna trade that today. M&Qs probably 4. Since I'm not going to be copy trading it, I'm willing to risk a little more per trade, I think. But it's possible this just keeps pumping and I don't actually get to take anything, but that's fine. So, I mean, I'd say the DOL is pretty clear here. We'll see what happens when we rip up here and tap into this 5-minute. So I'll just extend this right. Label it M5. But I wouldn't be surprised if we hit all-time highs today. Yeah, I probably missed it. This was the entry right here. So good, man. It just wasn't loaded up, dude. I should have been ready, bro. I wasn't. Happens. But, you know, we do have all these lows. So It's just a little questionable shorting at this point. Like low key, I'm having a hard time not just getting in and holding to this high. Like why not? Like just chase like crazy, bro. Whatever. Check for any SMTs. Not really. So no SMTs or anything yet. Hopefully we get something. And I'm like actually trying to like lock in today, so I'm not gonna be taking any bullshit. Like I'm gonna wait for something really good. I got the funded loaded up. Low-key, I'm not gonna copy trade because I feel like it stresses me out. Copy trading on stream for some reason, so I'm just gonna copy or trade a single account. Let's look to the left to see if we have anything right here. Let's see. Maybe this little BPR. Are we in that right now? Yep. Oh, so we closed above it. Never mind. So there's this 5 minute right here too that we haven't been able to inverse yet. So maybe you'll see the reaction out of there too. This one right here. So we tap into this 5 minute, get a pretty decent reaction down, right? I'm having a hard time seeing myself shorting this unless it's like mad obvious, but we'll see. What up, Dan? Man, this P15 printed. I papered AM today, but I regret it. I wish I should have been logged in. Or not wish I should have. I wish I would have been. But I just... Dude, I hate that, man. I hate not being logged in. Like, I know I plan to actually sit down like this every day for PM, but I swear on everything, I need to be loaded up for AM at least, even if I stream or not, because I keep missing out on such good plays, dude. Like on paper, dude. 6 B. So I got 4. I got 4 with Fun of Futures family, Alpha Futures, and then this LucidPro. But dude, yeah, in paper, I'm in on this 1 minute from down here, and I like have so much FOMO, dude. Like it's cool, just 100 points, 100. But then it's like I can't sit here and stare at the setup for the rest of the day and let it let it make me feel like I missed out, because I guarantee you there'd be something else to take. I'm just gonna wait. It's all good. Dude, I'm excited for this Tradeify Cup trading contest to start. I'm hyped. Signed up for that. So we put in this little 30-second BPR that's holding for now out of this 5-minute. 4 for 4. I know. That's what I'm saying. I should be done, literally. But I'm not. Man, I want a setup that gives me enough confidence to drop a mini on this sheet. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Valid. Oh, it's also a 15-minute BPR. Okay, so I'm going to see how we can barely tap into this BPR. I don't know if I'm doing. I've had my eval for exactly 10 days and made $600 so far. I mean, I wouldn't worry about how many days it's taking, bro. Just keep doing what you're doing. The timing doesn't matter. There's no time limit. If you give yourself a time limit, you're going to stress yourself out. So just don't even worry about it. I lost 355 on my live. Basically blew it. It's down to 11. Now back at 50 something. Nice. Now on your very next trade, risk all of it. I'm joking. All right, chill. I said I was gonna lock in. Trying to be serious. Yeah, because that's me. Super serious. Don't make me blush on stream. Oh wait, I don't even have my light on. Row. Charlie Brown getting mad at the pups. I know that noise. Charlie Brown said, "No, leave me alone." Damn, I low-key want to try a short right here, but I'm not going to. I'll just tape read it. So basically, it would be something like this. Wait, what am I looking at? Never mind. Don't listen to anything I just said. Yeah, exactly. Wait, only way full port is if we got A plus setup? Dude, I want to play a mini. I can't lie. Dude, if we sweep this high up here and get an... I feel like I'd like to be done before noon right now. Mm-hmm. It's coming up on the macro. Snoop is getting into things. Could tape read this P15. It would be like this. A small retrace to go higher. I wouldn't mind that. Listen, but look. Look at this, munchies. Dude, why do I want these? Like, why? Give me a death candle. Convince me we go lower. Maybe we slam down through this to run these. Tap into this 1 minute gap. There's no way I would take that, but yep. Really, I just need this high swept. Here we're in the macro. See if we can get up and rip this high. If we start accelerating, I will chase. I'm kidding. Even though I kind of want to. Sometimes discipline is hard, chat. For real. Like, sometimes discipline is real hard. Okay. This P15 long would actually make sense to work. Rip. Dude, man, sometimes when I sit here, look, I literally gotta have my hands like this in front of me because I don't want to do something. Dude, it's so hard, man. I feel like this is gonna just like pop out of nowhere. But you have to have it. Yep, you do have to have it. But sometimes, bro, I don't wanna. Sometimes you just gotta trust your gambling ability, you know? God. I can feel Amy rolling her eyes from the other room. Well, this is supposed to be a macro time, but yeah. It doesn't really look like it. All right, guys. I got to keep it real. The server's dead, and I know it's my fault. How do we revive it? How do we revive the server, chat? I don't know what to do. I guess probably just keep doing stuff consistently every day again. That's probably the only way. Damn, man. Why do I feel like this is going to run all this, dude? We don't worry about it. It's free. I know, but I think you need to like post TikTok. I mean, I post TikToks, but not a lot. Dude, you guys, does anyone else have the feeling that we are just going to freaking blast all this? Because I kind of do. Dude, I might have to hop in a few micros, you guys. Like, if we inverse this 15-minute right here, I might have to just try a light size, dude. Holy, is everything okay? What just happened? Hello. Snoop is freaking out. Oh, like, we're about to get this 4-hour inverse. Dude. We might have to drop a couple micros in and let it go. Let it go. Let's see. What would be... Because the content here is amazing. Just people don't really know about it. Dude, I appreciate that. I just, like... I don't spend enough time going through my videos and, like, editing them down. That's the problem. If I, like, edited things down, you know... Dude, this is about to freaking pop. I can feel it in my bones, bro. But, like, yeah, if I was better at making shorts and stuff... But I just don't spend time doing it, and that's on me. Mainly because I don't really know how. Dude, no way this P15 dumps. Dude. This is so barcodey. It's weird. It's like barcodey, but it's moving upwards. I don't get it. There's no real energy or enthusiasm to go one way or another. But I think after we get this 4-hour inverse, we might just rip. Like, what if we get the 4-hour, this 15-minute inverses all at the same time? Dude. All right. Well, when this 4-hour inverse is, we'll probably get a little bit of a pullback, and then we'll see. There's the 4-hour. Maybe we try a short right here. Stop at the high. I mean, waking up tomorrow at all-time high sounds good to me because that means chances are I will smack it during London or pre-London. All right. Dude, I feel like this is just gonna start blasting, bro. Yeah, the momentum right now is really slow. So like, damn, the short would have worked. Well, it's working. It's all right. Maybe we can get along. Or maybe this 4 hour is going to rebalance a whole bunch of this. So here's the start of our pullback on the 4 hour. See how far of a pullback we get. I don't know, man. Something in my gut was telling me to get in there for a second. Just put in perfect equal lows. So P15 would look like this. Actually, it would look like that. So I still think 289 is the draw. Man, this is sell model question mark. Finally put in like a bearish gap and we're respecting it. Let's see. I think we're holding this 30-second here still. Yeah. So we're still holding this 30-second gap here. I don't know, man. This was a really big 4-hour candle. I feel like we're going to come back for some of that. Low key. I think that okay, now we have an SMT. So we have an SMT now with ES. We have delivery from this 5-minute or this 15-minute. $30 times 2, 60 times 3, 60, 180. I think if we got this 5-minute close with a good candle, I would try this, actually. We got this LRLR down here. None of these are really like too convincing of gaps, right? Like I have to go all the way to the 5-minute. Looks good, but doesn't align with bias. It doesn't align with bias, but it could align with liquidity. Because this high that I have labeled as our DOL, ES already took it. So if we have an SMT and we get a death candle through this 5-minute, then that might change my short-term bias, even though the higher time frame is bullish. But the longer it takes to inverse it, the less I like it. Like, actually, so you see how we have this 15-minute lined up here too? If we get the 5 and the 15 at the same time, then I will definitely try that. Bro, I'm shaky, man. I've been doing push-ups so my arms are all my arms are all jello and I've been drinking coffee and I haven't eaten yet. I'm so jittery, bro. Holy, it's driving me crazy. So I would probably just try it with like a 25 point hard stop, 3 micros. So like about $150 risk, and if it loses, then I'll be done for the day. Bro, I'm so jittery. Holy. So now, if I create a what if scenario or conditions, right? And then 5 minutes later, they happen exactly the way I said, there's no way I can't take it, right? Like, there's no way I can't take it, right? Like, if you see a play developing way ahead of time and it triggers, then something about the way the algo's cooking is in alignment with your thoughts, and you should take advantage of that. Even if it loses, it's okay. It doesn't look like we're gonna get it, but bro, can you guys see how shaky my hands are, dude? Holy, bro. I need to stop drinking coffee for the day, I think. Jeez. It's giving me anxiety, dude. I can't lie. Dude. Like, I know when I zoom in, we have this 4 minute, this 4 minute, this 3 minute, this 3 minute, but I don't want to overthink it. My brain's telling me that the 5 and the 15 look good if we get it at the same time, and I'll just stick with that. Just press the button. Just press the button. You'll stop shaking, bro. You're just you're stressing on the trade, bro. Don't lie. Dude. Man, this is annoying. 1:51 left. If this loses, will you be mad at yourself? Wait, what? If this loses, will you be mad at yourself? If you will, don't take it. Wait, what? Hang on. Oh, wait. If you will. Oh, got you. If you will, don't take it. No. Actually, if it loses, I would not be mad at myself because I like it. And $150 out of $2,000 drawdown is not anything to worry about. Would it be annoying to take a loss on the first trade of a new funded? Yeah, kind of, but that's why I'm only going to risk $150 because that's not very much. Yeah, well, and the other problem is Trump is apparently speaking in 45 minutes, so we could just sit here and do nothing until then, which is kind of lame. But so we're not going to get this 5-minute inverse, which is fine. Not yet, anyway. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. There is a little bit of a gap here. Okay, so look, when we zoom out now on the 30-minute, we have a 30-minute bearish SMT. Okay, that's not something to ignore. An SMT on the higher time frame like that is definitely something to at least mark out and see how we react. Now, does that mean I'm going to just be like, "Oh my god, bearish SMT, SMT, we're bearish now"? No, but can I use it as an added confluence for a potential trade that I like? Yes. And honestly, here's the thing. Going back to Dan's question, even if I was going to be mad at myself, if it loses, I need to get over that and take it anyway, right? Because we can't be perfect. Like, our job is to, okay, see, now I like this. Our job is to take calculated risks and manage the risk. Is that always going to be perfect? No, but like, I need to get better at losing, if that makes sense. So it'd be like a win-win. I get to trust my conviction and follow through. And if it loses, I get to practice taking a loss and being done and being okay with it, which is always something good to practice. But the way we just wicked into that and started pumping does not look very promising for our short. We literally just went whoop, whoop. Reckon we'll still hit the high at NQ, to be honest. 5-minute FEG might send us there. Let's see. We're going to change his name in here to Market Maker Munchies. Market Munchies. Oh, dude. I just went to drink more coffee. I'm so glad it's gone. So literally we just wicked down and swept out all these little random lows. Put this little sad face right here because I don't think we're going to get it. I mean, let me ask you this. Why would we come 8 points from this high and stall this bad? Especially when ES already wrecked it. Like, why can't NQ? Now, I would imagine for some reason on a day like this, if we just ripped up and closed above this 1 minute right here, I mean, I feel like that would probably work. But we've moved up a lot today. We have really good targets below. We still have what looks like is going to be a long-term government shutdown in play. And the longer that stays shut down, the more I don't know if the market's going to like that. Especially with all of the things that Trump be saying all the time. So this 1 minute seems to be holding price down pretty well. But now we're just kind of bouncing in between, right? We have this 5 minute down here. And this is also a 5 minute that we're inside too. So we just are doing this. Dang, man. It won't stop. What up, Zebby? Right now, we're watching this SMT on the 30-minute and this 5/15-minute gap. Well, that's what I'm watching anyway. I'm sure everyone else is. Well, my draw on liquidity is 89, but ES already swept it. What happened to Bill? I don't know, man. I feel like he's probably just focusing on his job and his wifey. All right, this is pretty good momentum. Let's see if we want to inverse this 1 minute or not. Maybe we try this 1 minute. Three-minute looks quite clean. Come on, please don't pump, dude. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad I want this SMT to hold, it's a 12.5. Let's take it to look at the look at the holy bro. The 30-minute. $30-minute makes me wonder why there's even a red button available on my chart, but it's fine. Hey, later, Dan. Good job. W discipline. Dude, I know we're crazy bullish, but I want to short so bad. Like if this 30-second here holds, right? This 30-second holds, and then we just start diving down through this 5 and this. Oh, dude, why do I want to take this 30-second? Probably because I'm just getting antsy as shit. Yes, bro. Wait, what? Anybody here in the YouTube chat right now? Right now, how we doing? I'm not even sure anymore. I always am streaming on there, but you DM me saying yo. Yeah. Hey, Lust Lizard. Holy. How's it going, man? I'm always paying more attention to the Discord, so I always forget. And then I'll be like, oh, and I'll look at YouTube chat, and sometimes I'll see people that have messaged and I didn't see it, and I have no idea how long. I keep feeling like this is just going to fly, but we're not, dude. Let me just get this random 20 point 30-second wick down candle. P15 short right here. Basically have another SMT because ES is up here. I don't know, man. It's just like currently this is pretty choppy. I think I've identified the play that I want to take, and so I probably will stay flat unless I get that, to be honest. Okay, that 30-second just did not inverse. We're really choppy right now, so I think the best decision for me to make would be to stick by what I want the most. So we have this 5-minute gap here. Holding. And yeah, there's that too. Like, could just be chopping for Trump. And then when Trump gets on the podium and says, huge, we're just going to get wrecked. I want to let everybody know, China. The office is so cold. No, you should log off. I should log off? Oh, Munchie should log off. He's 4-4. Yeah. He's probably just here to support. Yeah, we could get this 3-minute, honestly. Three-minute to target the break of the SMT. No way that holds, bro. 5-minute just inversed, but the 3-minute and the 4-minute are. Oh, man. I feel like I should be in this, but I'm not. Damn it. Bro! Dude, we still did not hit that high, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro, are you kidding me? Bro, seriously, football shorts right now is not wrong, bro. Are you kidding me, dude? There's no way we didn't hit that just now. Pause. Like, dude, what? We just wicked up 20 points to not 100-point candle. Where? Am I tripping? Bro, I want to get in short so bad that I'm just going to wait. Rules are so stupid. Dude, that's so funny. The Elmo rules are stupid, to be honest. Like, why can't I survive if I get banned from it? Dude, why can't I drive? Yeah, for real. Dude, part of me seriously wants to try something like this. Just to stop at the high. Demo it? No, because then I'd have to log out and log back in. I'm just going to chill and wait for something that makes sense. One micro can't hurt. True. If I did 2 micros, it'd be risking about $45. Nah, I'm good. I need to be smart. So you're saying now press the button? Okay. So now I'm going back to my original play that I wanted, which is this 5/15 minute. If we get this 15-minute order block down, right? Get the close with the 5-minute at the same time. Oh, man. Might have to pop in a mini on that month. No, I'm playing. Nah, I honestly with this type of price action during NY, I would rather be able to like give myself a wider stop loss. So I'm gonna stay sized down a little bit so I can give like I'd rather be able to have a 25, 30 point stop loss because it's too hectic and I feel like I just kind of need to give myself that room without risking because I don't know if I can get away with like a 15-point stop loss right now. I feel like 15 or less points, you're asking to get wicked out before your TP for some reason. So it would also be 8 minutes, 45. Dude, it would be right before the macro, but then it would be right before Trump's supposed to speak. Rip. Definitely need a hard stop loss for that. Honestly, bro, I'm not the kind of guy who likes to download a lot of stuff for some reason. I don't know. I just like Chrome. Trump could take us all the highs with one candle. Dude, or we can dump 1,000 points. Literally, that's what it's like. It's crazy. Bro, am I able to change the title of this stream? Holy. Imagine spelling. I'd have to restart it, huh? Yeah, I'm not doing that. Can also liquidate you in one candle for sure. Could also slap hard breach. Exit liquidity. Actually, I don't know if she'll care if I'm talking about it or not, but I think that happened to Amy. I think Trump made PA go through her stop loss and she got screwed over really bad. Because price just wrecked through the stop loss and didn't trigger. Yep. Dude, that's so messed up, man. Trading is so stupid, dude. Why do we do this to ourselves? Like, what's wrong with us, dude? We're all psychopaths. For real. Like, we're all just purely insane. I don't know how any of us are, like, seem normal. Bro's 15? Yeah, you're definitely psycho. Bro's setting himself up for sleepless nights as a teenager. And the psychiatric department for real. I'll stay 5 feet. Okay, so we just put in another 5-minute FVG down. Let's see if this wants to like hold or we just want to rebalance it back up. How are you trading then? Bro, come on. We all know Moms is actually trading. Ding! Ding! Insert ding right there with the wink. W Mom. Exactly. I won't tell if you don't. Bro, I just told the entire internet. It's out in the open now, man. You know, all my millions of viewers. Okay, so dream scenario right here, right? This candle just kind of stalls, and we put in our middle piece for the sandwich. 5-minute order block down. Get the close at the same time as the 15. Then I could probably do a stop loss like above the 5-minute OB instead of wherever. Oh, that would be the same amount anyway. Bro, when I'll pass my eval, does she know you're doing it? How to pass an eval in one day. Trade 3 micros until you know you're on the right side of the market, and then get in like 20 of them. Get in like 20 of them and just hold it. I'm kidding. Please don't do that. I'm trolling. I wanted to use my affiliate link with my broker to sign my mom up so I could get the join bonus. Yo, I'm going to message my mom and tell her to get an alpha account with my link. Yo, Mom. You could have up to 3 accounts, too. So if you just want to grab 3, go for it. There you go. That's funny, dude. I know. I got the email. I'm considering it, but I'm not going to. Because when I get evals, dude, then I get so distracted, bro. And I like don't focus on anything else until I pass it. It's annoying. So this 15-minute and this 5 minutes about to close, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. Lame. Yeah, the activation fee is wildin'. But, you know, if you're like, okay, so here's the thing. If you're a newer trader, right? If you're a newer trader, it's a great investment because you can practice for really cheap. But if you're more experienced and kind of know that like you're going to pass, you're more than likely going to pass and you're not going to want to pay that activation fee, then it's kind of pointless. Like that's the only reason I haven't got one is because I'm like, bro, even if I do get one and pass, I'm not trying to pay $149 for that. When there's companies out there offering accounts for less than $100 with no activation fee. Like you can get 2 of those for the price of 1 Top Step. How trustworthy? I mean, Tradeify, MFFU, Take Profit Trader. I mean, those are pretty reliable firms. Yeah, I've gotten payouts from all of them. TPT, MFFU, Tradeify. Yeah, I've gotten payouts from all of them. Dang, I just realized that. What do you mean, what's the catch? It's your upfront fee is a little bit more, right? So like instead of $30, it's like 50, or it's like, I mean, Tradeify, it's like $83, but there's no activation fee. Why would TopStep do it so expensive? I don't know. That's just how they do it. TopStep, I guess one caveat is TopStep has no consistency rule on the funded. So like you pay a little more to have no consistency rule on funded, but then you can only take out 50% anyway. It just varies on the trader. I would when I'm considering which company I want to use, not only would I look at pricing, but I would also look at rules for eval and for funded, because that's important too. You want to look at the rules, and you want to look out your payout caps and your payout limits. Those are very important. Alpha Futures is so fire. Their payout rules aren't the greatest, but they're a good firm. Maybe we get this 5 minute at the macro. I use Alpha Ticks. Bro, imagine just not going on a day of tilt this day. So dumb. Nah, I can't risk a lot, and I've just been having to size down and just slowly grind it back up. I only had $187 in drawdown left, and now I'm up 13 hundo, but it's been a grind. I've only been trading it at night because it's not as volatile, so I can not get wrecked. What up, Kalichi? Kalichi? Oh man, dude, I don't wanna say your name incorrectly, so. Dude, come on. I really want this play, but I'm not going to get it, I don't think. I do like how we missed buy side by a few points. I love that. That makes me happy. That makes me want to find a way to short. I love that. Am I going to get it? I don't know. Probably not, but. So here's the macro. We didn't get the inverse. Now we're just pumping. This P15 printed, so that's cool. Imagine waiting around for inverses when P15 just be doing this. I'm kidding. It shows a lot of trades because I scale. Is it good? Yeah, that's solid. So what I like most about that is your risk management is locked in, because you need to have that. Like that's why I use Alpha with Alpha Ticks, because I can do my manual lockout. Because like See how last month I did super good. I had one red day or 2 red days. They were both $200, right? And then one day I let my risk parameters slip, hit daily loss limit. Next day on 150 minus 100, but then I've been slowly building it back up because I have my things set to lock me out. And once I got back over 1,000 in profit, I gave myself 50 more bucks to work with, so I'm risking $200 instead of 150. But as soon as I get $200 for the day, I like just lock it out because I need to practice being disciplined. So now I'm not even paying attention to like the payout amount. I'm just trying to get the $200 days so that I can not be capped on my next payout. So I think I have like 14 or 15. So I'm like halfway there. But that full tilt day, dude, set me back so far. And that's why it's so important to manage your risk. Like if I didn't have that full tilt day, dude, I would have already taken more money out of this account. Like if that $1,000 day was a minus 150 instead of 1,000, you know, that adds another $900 to my current balance. So it'd be almost $2,100 instead of 13. So like that's why managing risk is crucial. Managing risk is more important than your take profit, to be honest, in my opinion. Like focusing more on how much you lose per day is more important than how much you make per day. I just listened. Dude, it's so good, huh? Man, it's so good. I haven't even listened to the whole thing yet. I stopped after the few minutes and showed Amy and was like, dude, I got to share this. All right, so Trump's apparently talking right now, so... Jeez, man. Is there a barbecue emoji? How do I properly display that we're cooked right now without doing the fire emoji? Because this is not positive news. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. I like that. All right, let's do this. Cook. Oh, wait, here we go. Bang. Cooked. We're in a frying pan, chat. We're no better than this egg. So you can see that this gap was used to send us to break this high. So honestly, seeing that we got this reaction out of here to take this high, now if we did get this inverse, dude, I'm definitely in, bro. But it's like hoping and wishing at this point. I don't really know if we're gonna get it. Market maker munchies, for real. I mean, actually, at this point, you know what would be even better than the 5 minute would be if we pumped up, broke this SMT, and got a V shape out of this gap. Now that would be, that'd be better, actually, because we have like both these lows, then all these lows, lows. Why did I say it like that? Lows. Yeah. So we never did get the 3 minute. That's crazy. It never inversed, but we ended up taking the high. $77 down to $56, down to $54. I mean, none of these candles are very big right now. Ouch. Come on, Trump. Say something stupid. You're good for that. Bang, he says. Sheesh. Wonder how my paper long's doing. It's up 115-ish. Damn, man. That's what I should have been in on. Oh, I forgot the dunks. Come here, Snoop. Come here, Snoop. Snoopy, come. Snoopy, come. Hi, bud. Say hi to Snoopy. Say hi to Snoopy. I know, he's gonna lick the shit out of me. What are you whining for? Do you want to get down? Do you want to get down? Bruh. What are you whining for? Bro, they left, bro. You can get down if you want, but they left, dude. Draw 50% of this wick. Snoop, just lay down, bro. I'll leave the door open, but dude, they're not out there. So you might as well just hang out in here, bud. Now I really want to enter short. Because short Bitcoin. That's funny. Snoop. Snoopy. Stay in here, buddy. I only have the door open because I don't want you to feel locked in, but I want you to stay in here. Snoop. He's grabbing a toy and taking it to the other room. Okay. Gotcha. Want to play chess? Bro. Dude, I want a short too, man. Like, I don't know why, but Oops. Pressing all the wrong things. He ain't started talking yet. I just want this short, bro. Donald Trump, Omega Pump, in a slump. Lakers in 5. So, yeah. You entered shorts? Dude, I want to. Friggin' trend line, man. So lit. Dude. There's no gaps on this 1 hour chart until way down here. Bro, the 15-minute chart is ugly right now. Holy. This point just log off. No shot. I'm taking this short, whether it triggers or not. I'm just kidding. Dude, the problem is every time I end stream, we start doing stuff. I don't know if you guys saw it yesterday, but literally the moment I logged off, we started just ripping. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, the very second I ended stream, we just started flying. It was right when we put in this trend line here. We put in this little trend line right here. I logged off, and then just boom, we just zoomed. It's like, okay, bro. Okay. Are we getting movement? Could have this 1 hour order or 1 minute order block here. We'll see. All right, guys. See you later. Walks out of frame and peeks back at chart. Exactly. It's because I was on my phone trying to pass this lucid test, and I ended up doing it after we ended stream. So I guess it was worth it. Dude, just take this damn high already. Dude, I don't know why, but I like trading on my phone too, dude. Something about the computer sometimes stresses me out. I feel like it's probably just because I spend more time looking at the chart on my phone anyway. So it's like by the time I get on a computer, I'm all, this sucks. This is weird. So we just almost tapped 50% of that wick. One sec. What are you whining for, bud? I don't know if anything I did was worth you coming over here and whining to me. I let you outside to go potty, bro. You asked. Great job, by the way. What? You want to come sit with me? Hmm? No? You just want to look up at me? Ugh. Bro, Snoop. Alright, you already failed, bro. Just play with your toys then, dude. Yeah, good boy. Bro just ran away. So proud with his little stuffy. Oh, mom's back. I came out here. He was out there just chewing on a toy, and I walked out here just to check on him. And when he noticed me, he got up and walked to the back door. So I started walking this way, and he started walking back towards me. And I said, "You need to go potty." And as soon as I said potty, he turned around and looked and screwed his face in the middle of me. But I feel like we haven't cleaned anything up yet. That's good. Maybe this. Got a good BE here. Swept out this high. It's so choppy, bro. I'm just coping trying to find something. Man, please. We'd have to inverse this VI too, though. Nah, I'm on a short. It's like a 8-point inverse, so not too bad. Observation, this is gonna versus maybe. All right, that's fair. I'll tell you what, if this 2-minute inverse is, this is gonna dump. And it didn't. Go absolutely F yourself. Not even the 1 minute. Bruh. Dude, my kids do that all the time. It's so funny. Yeah, it should dump, but I'm not. Should probably just log out, realistically. Bro's always late. Yeah, it did, but I'm not taking any of this crap. This is garbage. Bro, I feel like I'm like genuinely falling asleep. Feel like taking a mini up to 306 or what? Okay, this is about to pump. Bro, we're not doing shit. So boring. Bro, ES is just leaving all these equal highs. Do we try this 1 minute? Imagine. Bum, 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 bum. This is dead. I'm losing interest. I'm trying not to. So we got this 1 minute inverse. We might get this 1 minute order block down too, which I might want to try. Oh my gosh, look at Snoopy. Dude, look at ES, man. You can't tell me this is not about to dump. What the hell? He's speaking right now. Yeah, no wonder we started moving. I swear, dude, market's always just prepping for Trump to make this go down. It's hilarious. Bro. $30 P15. All right. You guys. Okay. So here we are at 3:30. So we got a new 30-minute candle. Looks like this P15 might hit. I don't know anything anymore. Right? Like how many points and if it's bullish or bearish, I'd be so interested in that. Uh Bro, this is hard to do when I'm starting to get really hungry. Might have to just call it, dude. I don't know. I want to stay on for the macro, but Trump's just bro ruins everything, dude. I'm just pretend to end stream so the market will start moving. Do you have this this 5 minute? That price has been holding up for a long time. Here. I guess it's not very. It's like a 7 point gap. Nope. It's just gonna push back up again. Says no inverse there still. Jeez, dude. This honestly, I feel like longing from right here would probably work. Absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Yep. Accumulating for CPI probably. Should we do a Should we do a CPI stream? I feel like I've been going to bed relatively early enough to probably be able to pull that off. Dude, if we just get a dump candle and close below this, I swear on everything, I will short that and hold it until market closes. So the P15 TP is about to hit. Bang. Good for you, P15. Three micros. Do we get this? Do we get this end of the day shortage? What is volatility looking like? Way down but rising. Okay. Bro, we've been waiting for this for so long that I have to extend my box over because we've gone past it. Why is it gonna start like giving us hope and then just die out? Like we can't even close below this 5 minute. Holy dude. There's this 1 minute long. Don't have an SMT or anything. It's just still within the range. I'm not touching that. Oh, you can. Oh, geez, dude. We're trading the wrong thing. Look at gold. We're trading the wrong thing. Gold is dumping. We're not doing it right. Look at gold. Gold's about to run all this LRLR. Chat. Do we take a gold play? $30-minute inverse down on gold? Huh? Huh? What do you think? We got this. This low right here. Don't touch. That's funny. One micro full send. Agreed. Bro, like short gold. Dude, seriously. Like, why does that look like the move? Dude, no, IQ's dumping. Or gold is dumping. Wait a minute. Dude, what if gold got this inverse right here? Delivering from the 30-minute, all this LRLR. Okay, wait, hold up. Dude, wait a minute though. Listen, this could be the best setup of all time. We literally swept all these lows. We're delivering from this 30-minute. All this LRLR above is insane. Dude, hold up. Bro, like this looks crazy. Dude, we might end up trying a gold inverse right now. Straight up. Then we got this NQ short. Bro. Ah. What is happening? Wait a minute. Gold might be trying to just inverse this 30-minute. So this will be the lowest close, or it might be the lowest close that we've had so far in the 15-minute in the last long time, 2 hours, almost 2 hours. Still no inverse though. P15 on gold. Bro, this looks so good. Jeez, what a freaking reaction. We swept these lows, and then we're just pumping, dude. Holy. Gold. Fourth short got break even. Damn. Yeah, that's annoying. But yeah, it's better to be saved than to be taking L's. Yeah, this is pretty much dead. Cool. What if we get this 5-minute inverse right at the macro? Coping again, I see. Macro is probably just going to pump us over that SMT, honestly. Come on, gold. What's the play? There isn't one so far. I was hoping to get this 5-minute short, but we're not going to. And this 30-minute short on gold looks insane. Pray for me. I will pray for you, sir. Nah, I've already accepted that I'm not going to get one. Okay, bro. Bro, are you for real, man? Chat, what a freaking joke. Like, bro, what? Dude. Hell no, I'm not full port in CPI. Crazy? I've never done that. Bro, I haven't even pressed the button. And you may think that, but I'm seeing something that looks solid. So that's why I'm staying. No, definitely not. That's why I just have 3 micros in. Damn gold. I don't even know if I'm allowed to trade after 1 o'clock or 4 o'clock. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna hop off. So I will see y'all tomorrow.